Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see restricted in Messenger on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's go ahead and open up our Messenger app, and from here to see the people that we have restricted on our Messenger app, let's click on our profile icon at the top left corner. From here, click on Privacy and Safety right below the mobile number option. And under the section that says who can reach you, you should be able to see the restricted accounts option. This is where you limited interaction with someone on Messenger, so tap on that. And from here, you should be able to see a list of accounts that you have restricted. So restrict helps you limit interactions with someone you know without having to block them. So tap on the specific account you want to unrestrict if you want that. And then you should be able to see the unrestrict option at the bottom mid. So actually restricting that person will let them not be able to see if you're online or when you have read their messages. So if you want to unrestrict and undo that option, or undo that action rather, click on unrestrict, and that should unrestrict that account, and they'll be able to know if you have read their messages and interact with you normally. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.